Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you how to turn white gray hair into black naturally, permanently with very simple ingredients. Restore the melanin production in your scalp and get black hair without any side effects, without dye, and it's all natural and all helpful. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of natural plain yogurt, then we need 1 lemon, and add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Lemon is high in vitamin C and will restore the melanin production in your scalp naturally. Then we need baby oil, and here I have Johnson baby oil. You can use any baby oil available for you. Add 1 teaspoon of baby oil. Mix well all the ingredients. Apply it in your hair roots and leave it for 1 hour and then rinse it with water. Wash it with shampoo normally. This will restore the hair color naturally, guys, permanently. It's going to get you rid of gray hair and white hair naturally without any side effects. It's high in vitamin C and will help the melanin production in your scalp in restoring the hair color naturally, guys. You will get the hair turning to black gradually by using that remedy on a regular basis. Use it 2 to 3 times a week to achieve the best results, and I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.